I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to link your PlayStation Network account or PSN account to your Discord account. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to PlayStation.com, and then sign into your PlayStation account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon at the top of this screen to open a menu, and then click Account Settings in this menu. Your PSN account screen opens. Step 3. Click Linked Services in the menu on the left side of the screen. The associated menu opens. Step 4. Click Discord. The next screen shows you what you'll be able to do if you link your Discord account to your PlayStation account. Specifically, this will enable your friends on Discord to see what you're playing, join a Discord voice chat using your PS5, and manage specific features associated with the Discord voice chat, such as audio levels, muting, and channel switching. Step 5. Click Link. You'll be prompted to log into your Discord account if you're not logged in already. After logging into your Discord account, a window will be shown letting you know what information Sony will have access to in your Discord account. Step 6. Review this information and then click Authorize if you want to move forward. The next screen lets you know that you've successfully linked your Discord account to your PSN account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.